Hi guys, this is Martin, aka Martin the Vlogger, and this channel it's everything about riding, fun, and petrol habits. And today's video, it's nothing like you have seen before because today's video is not about my content. Today's video is about content that I have stolen. Yep, and I'm proud of it. Actually, this whole story is that we are working together. Maybe you know the guy named RYKER or Rolling on Three Wheels. His channel is popping up right now because at least I own him for this content and for this video. So in case you would like to check, there is the link to his channel. He's doing podcasts and everything about the RYKER. So the story is that we are working on something together because he's also vlogging on MartinTheVlogger.com. He has his own chapter or section there. And we are working on something and we've been sharing some files together and he was not paying attention. So I went through his files respecting all of his privacy. But if you will see the names of those two files, you definitely, if you were me, you would definitely download them as well. So I have downloaded them and I will comment on what you will see basically. And I will mix it up a little bit with how we do it in Eastern Europe, or basically how Martin the Vlogger is doing it. So enough of this. Let's get started. And guys, in case you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and have the notifications on because every time I make a video, you will be notified. And now, starting from 2021, you can also become a Patreon. And everything what you will see, how Martin the Vlogger is writing, it's a locked content for all of the Patreons. So have a look around, different options, click the join, see the bonuses and perks, and maybe, who knows, you can become a Patreon, support this channel, and help me to build this community. And now, really, enough of this. Let's get started. Okay, so yeah, that's my desktop. I have a little bit of mess. Are you guys the same? You have mess on your desktop? And now, like, yeah, have a look on the names. I mean, like, definitely I have to download them. Like, you want to be like Martin? Man, let me see what you got there. But it's about writing. You would like to be like Martin. I completely got it. I love the song. Okay, there are some lights. Okay. Oh, love the sound. Like, that's not stock exhaust, is it? By the way, I like what you did with the wrap. It's very cool. It's not super visible. It's like those shadows kind of thing. I love it. Absolutely love it. Yeah. So let me see what you got. What's that? I mean, like, come on, guys. I know it's New York, but we're living in Eastern Europe. I live in Eastern Europe. We don't have that much garbage there. Or here. Okay. Breaking some rules. Respect to that. Respect to that. And I love the sound. I mean, like, your neighbors must love you. I mean, when you are going for a ride, your neighbors must love you. Where are you at, actually? What's this? Isn't this Queens? Yeah, I know this area. I know there should be a golf. Yeah, there is a golf. Yeah, here you go. Oh, you see, guys. So here is kid is from Queens. You see, this is the first thing. Martin the Vlogger never stop on a stop sign. So, but you will learn. I'll show you. I'll show you. So now you see that was an opportunity to overtake, but you take your time. That's all fine. Show me what you got. I mean, seriously, man? That thing on the left, isn't that an overtaking lane? What's that guy? I'm not from New York, but it looks to me like an overtaking kind of yellow lane that was built, You know what? Let me show you, like, when I'm heating up the bike, how I ride. This is actually the log content for patrons. Respecting all the rules, you know, and when you are actually connecting to another lane, there is a rule that you need to have a certain speed and you need to be in a high gear so everybody hear you coming, so you don't have to be afraid of somebody hitting you. And that speed limit of 50, it's not in miles, it's in kilometers, which is like 30 miles or something. Anyway, We're back with you. We're back with you. We're still in your neighborhood. You're still listening to the nice hip hop music. Love that. Actually, I remember those days when we want to play basketball in Queens. I used to be a basketball player. Okay, I feel you. All right. So you're using what's that? Bicycle lane? Is it also for motorbikes? Okay, I gotcha, man. I gotcha. All right, that was nice. And where are you up to? Where are you up to, man? Are you serious, man? That's that's a different song. So you are from your neighborhood and you prefer to listen to country. Well, yeah, I gotcha. I mean, like we all have our demons. You don't have to be shame of like listening to country. It's all fine. It's all fine with me. Where are you at? Isn't that Kachkeshki whatever bridge? So many opportunities, man, to overtake. But I love the song. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Oh man, I wish I can ride with you guys. I mean, all right. You know what? You know what? I'll show you how we ride, or how I ride, basically, and watch and learn. All right. So you need to use all of the opportunities the traffic gives you. Overtaking from right, going to the left, having high gears. Rule number one, so everybody can hear you. And when there is like you cannot really, I mean like you can squeeze, but I didn't want to be a complete asshole. But this dude knows the traffic, he knows the rules. He show you like respect, allow you to go through. And in case you need to overtake, just simply overtake from whatever it's possible. So, and of course, respecting all of the speed limits and everything. So, this is how MartinTheVlogger rides. But coming back to you, this video is about you, man. So, isn't that beautiful? I mean, I wish I can ride with you. Having New York in front of you. First time I've been in New York, it was 1989 with my parents, and then I've been several times to this Big Apple, and I have this special feeling for it. Anyway, guys, your playlist, your song stopped to play. I mean, that's all fine. Don't worry. Guys, this is pretty much it. Small journey with Keith, with Rolling on 3. Keith is also an ambassador for the BRP, so definitely worth to check his channel. He often gives some free giveaways, freebies and stuff like that. And yeah, he needs to follow the traffic rules more than some crazy dudes from Eastern Europe, so that's all fine. The main point was, hopefully you have had some fun, and in case you like what I do, subscribe, hit the notification, maybe become a Patreon. And now, most importantly, visit MartinTheVlogger.com/shop because it's the largest European shop for aftermarket parts for the RYKER and Spyder. And always have fun. Hey! And respect the rules. Respect the rules, always.